going on, guys? Welcome back another video. So guys, I know most of you guys already know what is RAM and how it's work on your phone, but there is a lot of other people who don't know what is RAM, how it's work on your phone, the function of RAM, and how much RAM is enough for you. If you are a gamer, you are playing games like high graphic games. If you're playing high graphic games like PUBG and COD on your phone, how much RAM is enough for you if you play games, high graphic games. We're going to talk about all these things in this particular video, so watch the video till end. So let's start with the RAM. Basically, RAM stands for random access memory, and it is a temporary memory. It goes away when the power turns off, when your phone power turns off. So to understand what is RAM and how it's work on your phone, let's look an example of you. Just imagine if you are sitting in your office, you are sitting just imagine you are at an office, you are working, and you are sitting on your couch or on your chair. So guys, just imagine you need a file, and that file is available right in front of you on the table. What you can do, you can just easily took the file on the table, and you can easily took the file, and whatever you want to use, and whatever you want to use that file, you can use it. But let's imagine the another case. You need another file, and that file is not available on your table, not even on your room, and that file is available next to your room or next to your office. What you can do in that case, you have to stand up, you have to walk from your room to that room to took the file, and in that case it take more time than the previous version. So guys, these all things are also happen in your phone. The table which are available in office, that is your RAM. The person in your office, that is your processor, that is your phone processor. And the room, the next room which is next to your room, that is the phone storage which is available in your phone, that is 64 GB or a 128 GB. So, and there is one more thing, guys. The processor of your phone can easily and more fastly access your RAM, unlike the storage option. So whenever you install an app, the data of that install, so whenever you install any app or any game on your phone, on your PC, so the data of that all app would install in your storage option. But whenever you need to open the app, or you just playing the game, all data could transfer from the storage to your RAM, because processor can easily take the data from your RAM, unlike the storage option. This is all happened because the speed of the RAM is so much faster than the storage, than the hard drive. Nowadays RAM speed is around 22 megahertz, and if we talk about the DDR4X RAM, and they have more speed than which is available in the latest iPhone and the latest flagship phone from the Samsung, like Samsung S20 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But DDR4 RAM which is available. But if we talk about the budget segment phone, which they come with the DDR4 RAM. So guys, RAM doesn't remember everything forever. It's a volatile memory. That means it can forget everything once the power goes down. And guys, that make it perfect to handle the multitude of high graphic tasks which are running on your phone daily. And the cost of making RAM is much more higher than the storage, than the hard drive. So let me give you an example. You can make 16 GB of RAM in place of 1 GB of RAM. So I hope you understand how much expensive RAM really is. So the another question is, how much RAM is enough for you? So guys, nowadays iPhone 12, which is the latest model from the Apple, and the RAM which is available in the iPhone 12, that is 4 GB of RAM. That means 4 GB of RAM is enough for you if you're using an iPhone device. But whenever comes to the Android device, you need at least 6 GB of RAM. You can go for an 8 GB of RAM if you have an option. If you are willing to pay the 8 GB of RAM phone, then I think you should buy the 8 GB of RAM. It's all about the RAM and how it's work on your phone. I hope you get it what I'm trying to explain you guys. And I know my English, I know I'm little bit, I know my English is not so good, but yeah, I'm trying to explain you whatever I know and whatever, but I know I'm still learning. So hope you get it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and like our channel for latest updates, subscribe our channel. See you next video.